Looking to give something special this Christmas? Check out today's review of DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo and find the perfect present. Quiz time. Which country celebrates Christmas first each year? Choices: A. New Zealand, B. Australia, C. Japan, D. Russia. Are you feeling like a Christmas expert? Comment your guess and stick around to see if you got it right. Hey there, and welcome to our festive holiday review. Today we're diving into the magical world of the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, the perfect gift for that special someone who loves capturing life's moments in stunning 4K clarity. Now picture this. It's Christmas morning, the snow falling gently outside, and your loved one unwraps the DJI Osmo Nano. Their eyes light up with joy at the sight of this compact POV vlogging camera. That's the kind of magic this little gadget brings to the table. Alright, let's talk features. The DJI Osmo Nano is not your average camera. It's a DJI magnetic action camera that packs a punch despite its small size. So, let me take a quick moment here to share something really cool with you. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business? Well, now's the perfect time. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to turn that dream into reality. Millions of entrepreneurs around the world trust Shopify to power their online stores. You can create a beautiful, professional-looking store without any coding skills. Manage your products, track your inventory, and reach customers everywhere with their powerful marketing tools. Plus, they handle all the complicated stuff like payments and shipping, so you can focus on what you love. And with their 24/7 support team, help is always just a click away. So if you've been thinking about starting your own business, check out the link in the description below to start your free Shopify trial today. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's continue with what we were talking about. With buttery smooth stabilization, this gem ensures your footage is always crisp and clear, whether you're shooting a sports vlog or documenting your daily adventures. So, why would someone want to scoop up this beauty as a gift? Well, for starters, it's all about convenience and quality. The DJI Osmo Nano 4K camera fits snugly in your pocket, ready to capture life's precious moments at a moment's notice. No bulky equipment, no fuss, just pure high-definition footage that's ready to share with the world. Who is this perfect for, you ask? Anyone who loves vlogging, sports enthusiasts, travelers, content creators? The list goes on. The DJI Osmo Nano is versatile, user-friendly, and designed to elevate your content creation game to the next level. And here's the thing. The holiday season is all about spreading love and joy, right? What better way to do that than by gifting someone the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo? Trust me, this little powerhouse will make their eyes sparkle brighter than any Christmas tree lights. So, if you're looking to surprise that special someone with a gift that keeps on giving, consider the DJI Osmo Nano. It's not just a camera, it's a gateway to unforgettable memories and endless creative possibilities. Happy holidays, and cheers to capturing life's beautiful moments in style. If the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo could predict if we'll have a white Christmas, it'd be perfect, but it's already a holiday essential in its own way. And the answer is A, New Zealand. A, New Zealand is the correct answer because it is one of the first countries in the world to greet the new day due to its position near the international date line, making it one of the earliest countries to celebrate Christmas each year. We hope this review of DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo brought some holiday magic to your shopping. If so, please share the joy, subscribe for more holiday reviews, and click the link below for details.